A rip in the sidewall of the tire not only lead to a blowout, but when you put in a new tube and inflate it, it's just going to protrude through the tear and blow out again. Here are some tips on installing a boot to fix that split tire. Insert the new tube into the rim, if possible minimally inflated. Then using either a Cliff Bar wrapper, folded dollar bill, or whatever you may have on hand, place it between the tube and the rip in the tire, starting where the rip is in the tire. Go ahead and insert that bead, working your way around towards the valve. After inflating the tube, take a look at the rip. You should see only the dollar bill. You may get a little bit of bulging, but this should get you home. Although these other methods work, the most secure is to carry an alcohol swab from your pharmacy and a Park TB2 tire boot. Remove the tube and tire. Wipe the area around the tear in the sidewall with the alcohol pad. Let it sit for just a minute. With your Park boot, has an adhesive side. Go ahead and peel it off. Take care in putting on the boot that it does not extend over the bead. You want to cover the tear completely, but not extend over the bead. Now we're ready to reassemble the tire, the tube, and inflate as we previously showed. Remember, if you're using some kind of aid like the Crank Brothers Speedier Lever, make sure you stay away from where the boot is, or you're going to move the boot and reopen that tear. If the split in the tire is more than about 1 3/4 inches, you're probably not going to be able to boot it. See our description at the end. There are some references for additional methods for booting the tire. Remember, when you get home, remove that tire and replace it with a new one. The boots are good, but they don't last forever, and they're not as strong as the woven fiber in the tire itself. If you have any other suggestions about tire boots, please comment below. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. This is Tony at 2010 Speed. Safe cycling.